Hi everyone, let's see what slide we are going to create in PowerPoint today. You see that's kind of nice and stick, so let's start to create that. The first thing is that we need to create these shapes and this text. You see the text are like coming from nowhere. Let's take a look another time. Let's make it more smooth. Okay, we have all the text here. We insert a new slide. And then we format the background and make it black for all the slide like this. Then copy the text 1, 2, 3. These are the text. Okay, we have the text. So how we make them visual more and better? After having the text, we need these shapes. And then we recolor it no fill with just a simple outline. You see, this is the one. So let me copy them from here and paste them here. Now the thing is that these shapes comes from where? From the icons. You can add them from here if you want. I add them before, so don't lose any time. Let's name it title 1, title 2, title 3. Now the thing is most important is the transition. So how we can make it happen? The first thing is that we need to set the text transparency to none for all these three. Okay, now we copy this slide. For example, the tier 1 is going to increase the size, bring this to the top. Then just simply go to text option and reduce the transparency. And then copy that. But before that, don't forget, it's better to change the color of these things to the color you want. For example, something light is going to be good. Let's go with where I can color it. I think here. Let's go with something like this. And also, it's up to you to color this thing that color or not, but I'm not up to that. So let's copy that, increase it in size, bring this to the top, recolor it to color you want, go with this blue, and then color this by reducing the transparency, then copy it another time. Increase it in size, then bring this to up, recolor it to the nice color, then select this and reduce the transparency. Now select all of them, set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. You see it's pretty nice and has a nice effect. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.